Today I'm going to show you how to automate your eBay feedback for buyers. If you're fed up of having to leave feedback manually like I did for a long time, it's just one extra task to do and it does take quite up a lot of your time. This will enable you to just get rid of a task, and also what it does is it prompts buyers because they've already had their feedback then, depending on which option you choose, and then they reciprocate by leaving you that feedback too once their item's been delivered and they're happy with it. So let's get straight to it. There are two ways to automate the feedback. I'll take you through both options just in case your screen doesn't look like mine. So the first place we will go is we will be going to the main page, and then we'll go to My eBay. So let's click on that, and then we're going to go to Summary. So we'll click on Summary, and then over here we need to be clicking on this little Account tab, and then we need to be scrolling down, and we're looking for Selling Preferences. There we are. And then the top option there is to automate the feedback. Okay, I will show you the other method second, and we'll do that now. So if we go back to the main page and we just hover over My eBay and just go straight down to Selling, click on that, and then as we go down we need to scroll down the screen, and you're looking for the box that says Selling Tools, and it's there. So this is a quicker method of getting to the same place. So when we find ourselves at this point, this is where we can change a couple of settings. So normally that would be unchecked. So if you would like to automatically leave positive feedback, then just check that. And then you've got two options. You've got leave feedback after the buyer has paid for the item, which is the option that we use. And then you've also got the option of buyer has paid for the item and left me positive feedback. So once the buyer has left you positive feedback, this system will automatically leave positive feedback for them that instant. What you can also do, which is a little tip, is if you wanted, let's save that first, and then let's go back into that. And if you can actually edit the stored comments, and there's a little tip here for you. So what we can do is, these are generic comments that have been left here by eBay, and these will be randomly given to buyers on the above two conditions. What you can do is, if you have a business that's predominantly selling one particular type of thing, or you have a physical store, what you could do for a bit of brand awareness and advertising is you can modify this feedback as well. So you could put something similar to thank you for your custom from all at the, say for example you've got a shop called the London Sock Company, so from all at London Sock Company. Say for example you've got a shop in Soho, London Sock Company Soho, for great funky styles. So that could be left for every single customer that purchases something from you. Thank you for your custom from all at London Sock Company Soho for great funky styles. That may tempt someone or prompt someone to maybe search that, or maybe even try to visit your store if you've got a physical store. Just a little tip worth doing, just for that little bit of extra brand awareness, rather than the boring generic comments that you're going to see everywhere. in the first 4 little boxes at the top. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you got some value from it. If you liked it, please give us a like. If you'd like to see more content like this, more tips, and ultimately anything that's going to make your life just that little bit easier and you a better seller on eBay, then please subscribe and hit that little notification button so you don't miss anything. And also, just as importantly, if you can leave us a comment, if there's anything on your mind, if you want to know how to do something, if you're struggling with anything when it comes to selling on eBay, please leave it in the comments and I will respond to all comments, as well as potentially make videos on your suggestions. So thank you.